Hello Python programmers. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a real-time 3D object detection project using Python and mediapipe. The demo of which you have already seen. Now let's see how you can create that. So the first task is to import the package. So you have to install two packages. First is opencv. So pip install opencv python. Okay, then you have to install mediapipe. So pip install mediapipe. Now this is a really awesome package. Okay, I was recently introduced to this package and I instantly loved it. Now let me give you a quick intro of this package. So this is the official page of mediapipe, as you can see, and they are currently working on these models: face detection, face mesh, iris, hands, and yeah, all these. So I have already created video on face mesh and hands. This video will be on Objectron, and I have big plans for this pose and holistic project. I'm gonna work on a more sophisticated, more professional project using these models. Okay, so this video was not supposed to be created on this Objectron. I was actually looking for this iris model, but then I got to know that iris is not yet prepared for Python. Like, you can have it for Android, iOS and C++, but it's not ready for Python. I'll provide the link of this website in the description. You can go and check it out. They are working on really some awesome packages, models. And yeah, as soon as this iris will be available for Python, I'll create a video for that. Now let's go on to Objectron, the model that we'll be working in this video. So what it will do is, it will create a 3D box around a specific object. For now, this model is trained only for these 4 objects. I don't know in the future. This is why I'm providing the link in the description. You can check it what objects they are supporting, and for now they are supporting these 4 objects, and when we'll go to code, I'll show you that how you can change the objects. Okay, so don't worry. Actually, let's go on to code and write the code. Okay, so before we move ahead, let's have a word from our today's sponsor. This video is sponsored by Unacademy. Are you a student or a working professional who is looking for a great career in software development? Then you have to think about these aspects, like what's trending in the industry and the kind of questions being asked in the interview. What's the thought process behind the architecture of great applications like Google, Amazon, Zomato and Ola, and how to improve your core chef ranking. So to achieve all these goals, what you need to do is you need to go to unacademy.com/goals/career as a software developer. I'll provide this link in the description. And first, let's talk about the host or the mentors of these courses. Now, these hosts are working with some of the top companies like Google, Amazon, to name a few. They are 7-star coders on CodeChef and are industry experts with years of experience. And what they'll do is they'll walk you through their own industry experience and interact with a lot of guests like HR and industry leaders of top companies, where they'll ask questions raised by you. Now, this was about the mentors. Let's go to the live sessions and see what they have to offer for you. Now, in these live episodes, you'll get an opportunity to ask tech HR about top 20 questions and industry leaders directly about their recruitment process in startups and multinational companies. What is the eligibility and how to apply and how they build such great projects. And not only this, you can participate in mock interviews and learn courses on programming languages, blockchain and crypto, cloud computing, tech aspects of digital marketing, data analysis, and many more. Have you ever thought about how these frontline apps like Zomato, Paytm, Google Pay, Amazon, Flipkart, and Pacto were made in first place? What was the thought process? We have a show to answer all of these questions. Now, how is this show different from the videos that you will find on YouTube? In this show, Anuj will discuss the architecture breakdown of popular apps, and learners will get to see how these apps were made and how these apps work. Now, you must be thinking that you have to pay a hefty price for courses like this, but no, you have to pay 999 rupees per month to get access to all of these codes. But wait, there is more. If you use my code Harshit Roy, you will get an additional 10% off. Let me show you. You need to just write Harshit Roy and click apply, and you'll get an instant 100 rupees off. So all the links will be provided in the description. Definitely check them out, and let's move on to our next project. Okay, so now we are into editor. First of all, we have to import the required package, which is CV2, which is opencv, and mediapipe with the short notation of MP. Okay, then we have to call these two classes. First is for drawing utils, because we want to draw the lines, we want to draw the points, so we are calling the drawing utils. We have already seen this drawing utils in our face mesh and our hand detection project, but this is new. This class instance is for Objectron. Okay, now for this video, I am taking the input from my mobile camera. Okay, I'll provide the link in the description of the video in which I have shown step by step how you can take the input from your mobile camera and provide to opencv. It's a very simple process. You have to install a Android app and then provide the URL here. Okay, it's very simple. It won't take more than 5 minutes. Okay, then the opencv is taking the input from our mobile camera. Then with MP Objectron, this class instance here, dot Objectron, and these are the parameters. Okay, so static image mode is false. We are not taking any static image. Then the maximum number of objects in the frame. Okay, so what is the maximum number of objects that can be present in the frame? Okay, then min detection confidence and min tracking confidence. Again, I have explained this parameter in the face mesh video. Then the model name is chair. Okay, so these are our model names. Let me go down. As you can see, this is the pipeline, and everything is clearly explained on this website. Okay, I'll provide link in the description. Definitely check this page out. Okay, so let me roll down, and these are the four parameters that you can take. By default, the parameter is true. So if you don't specify the value here, model selected will be true. Okay, and these are the possible four values: chair, cup, and camera. Okay, now let's get back to our code once again. And okay, so we have specified that what model we are using. Then we have taken the input from our webcam. We have specified the classes here. We are reading the video input from our webcam and storing in this frame variable. Okay, then we are converting BGR to RGB. As I have already explained, opencv uses BGR, blue, green, red, but mediapipe uses RGB, so you have to convert it. Then we are processing our frame with the Objectron, or basically we are applying this machine learning model which is trained on the thousands and thousands of pictures of chairs. We are applying this model to our frame to check whether there is a chair in the frame or not. Okay, then we are converting it back to BGR as all the processing task is done, and we only have to draw, so there's no need to keep the image in RGB. Then if results dot detected objects, which simply means that if there is a chair in the frame, this if condition will be true for object detected or detected object in results dot detected objects. So this detected objects variable will iterate in this value. Okay, whatever the output this is giving, which is the coordinates of all the points where we want to draw the cubes. Okay, then mp.drawing, draw landmark. We are using this this class instance here, and first parameter is frame, the frame on which we want to draw. Then we have detected object, this variable name here, dot landmark in 2D. Okay, then mp Objectron, which is this class instance here, dot box connection. We want to draw a box, so this was to draw the box. Then we have to draw the axis, so we are calling the mp drawing, which is this again this class here, dot draw axis. And what are the parameters in this draw axis? First is the frame. Okay, now if you're confused at what is the axis, we have three axes here, x, y, and z. 3D is in 3 axis, 2D is in 2 axis. So first parameter is frame here, then detected object, this variable name, dot rotation, and then the second parameter is detected object dot translation. Okay, so now our box is drawn and also our axes are drawn. Now the last task is to display the output to the user. So we'll use opencv here, cv2.imshow. The GUI name is video and the output is frame, as we are applying all the filters and everything to this frame variable. Then cv2.wait key, this is just a exit condition. So we are specifying whenever we press this Q button, we want to exit this loop or we want to stop the video stream. Okay, stream will be stopped. Okay, so this is it. I'll provide all the links in the description. The first video, face mesh one, where I have explained some of the parameters like what are these classes and what is the min detection confidence, min tracking confidence. I'll also provide the link for the hand tracking, where I have created a small game with the hand tracking model of mediapipe, and yeah, also the official web page of mediapipe. So this is it, and I'll meet you in my next lecture where we'll create something more awesome. Okay, so meet you there. Bye bye.